Go, Skunky!
On the action already.
Look at him, he's like straight down, eh?
Mati karay.
Oh. He's still 146 feet.
Straight down. I'm gonna close this for now.
Yeah. Oh, this guy's gonna fuck off again.
Want me to pull out the line or what?
No. Pull up the line for what? He's still gonna eat. This is a good king. There he's coming up. Coming up now. He's gonna take off like a bat out of hell. No. There he is. Track him down with Tracker Joe!
Man, what do you have that?
Yeah,
you had that rig for about maybe 3 minutes?
3 minutes. That's all it takes.
Boom!
Oh yeah, nice big too. Nice big. This guy's over 20.
What do you have in this other rigger?
I put the frog, but I got other bloody noses we can put down too. This guy got a bloody nose.
Oh! Let me know when you're ready, because
I'm ready, buddy.
All right. Okay, I'll.